In this tutorial, we're going to cover market assets. This will cover what market assets are within StructuredWeb, how they're used within the platform, and how you can upload the market assets for your partner. Partner marketing assets is information the platform needs about the partner account, such as their company name, their business address, their phone number, and their company logo. The data that's entered into these fields is then merged into the emails and other marketing tactics that the partner may execute on the platform. So it's extremely important to make sure that you do load these market assets into this tool. Now, part of the new partner creation wizard is to load their partner assets, but in some situations you may not have the assets at that point in time, so you may skip that section of the wizard, or maybe the partner logo changes or their business address changes. So you'll actually need to go back into the partner account and set them up or modify them. And that's really what this video is going to focus on. Let's begin and get to where we can access the marketing assets of the partner account. So we're actually going to use this ABC Group company, the first one on the list, and I'm going to select it. And that will bring us to the partner summary page. Here we'll basically have a summary of the partner account. All their business information is located up at the top, and then any history notes will be located at the bottom. We want to focus on this row of tabs here at the bottom. These are all the action items that you can use to set up the actual partner account. As you can see, there's a tab here for assets, and this is where the market assets are stored. So I'm going to go ahead and click the Assets tab, and then this will load all the market assets that are required and are needed for this particular partner account. As we scroll down, you can see there are different sections for the market asset. The first section here is for direct mail pieces such as postcards, and then the second section is for general use. Typically this is used for any additional assets such as emails that will be sent or events that will be used and syndicated out. And loading market assets is a very simple process. It'll either be a string field where you can type in the data, or it will be a browse button where you can upload the partner logo. And what I want to do is, if I just slide the screen to the right, you'll see here there are merge fields on the right hand side. Now you probably won't be utilizing these merge fields, but the content manager, the person creating the content, will utilize these merge fields, and when they're building the content, they'll place these merge fields throughout the content. So for example, if they're creating an email and they want to place the partner logo up at the top, they'll create a merge field in that email for market asset 2881, and when you pull that email into the partner's account, it then renders and generates that logo that you load here into the email. So it's very important to load these market assets, because if you don't load them and a partner goes to execute an email and there's nothing in this field, it'll basically upload blank information. There will be nothing there. Let's go ahead and fill out some of the market assets for the general use category. The first option here is to enter their address, so I'll type in my address, 20 West 20th Street. Address 2 is typically used for a suite number or a floor number, so I'll just say 4th floor. And anything that has a red asterisk next to the market asset, that's required. As you can see, none of these have the red asterisk, so I can bypass them. So for example, if I was only on the first floor, or there's only one floor in my building, I don't need to enter an address 2. City's already been filled out. Next step is the company logo, and notice there's some help text below it. So this will tell you which size, what color scheme it should be, and what size the logo should be. So you can see the logo size here should be 195 by 67. So what I'll do, I'll click the browse button, and then I'll find my partner logo. Here it is. It needs to be a JPEG or a PNG file. It places it inside the field here. Here's the name of the file. And then you go through the rest of the fields. Anything that's required you want to fill out. I'll enter the zip code, and now I'll click Save. This will save all the market assets that I've entered and refresh the page. As you can see, the page has been saved and all the marketing assets have been loaded. Marketing tactics can now successfully be executed for this partner account. All the data is entered here and will be merged into the email. Before I end this tutorial, I want to provide you with a quick and important tip. If you need to upload a new partner logo let's just say the branding's changed, or maybe the logo is a little pixelated and doesn't look clear or as crisp in the email as you would like, I would recommend uploading a new file with the same file name. This way you won't need to pull the email into the platform again. Because it's the same file name, it will actually instantly change the image to the new image in the email on anything that you've brought into their account or anything that's actually been executed. And this is a very easy thing to accomplish. All you need to do is just put the mouse over this existing logo, right click on it, and click Save Image As, and that will actually tell you the name of the file, so you can see it's abc_com_logo. So what you want to do is actually rename the file, the updated file the partner gave you, with the same file name that exists in the platform and the same file format. This way when you load it, as I mentioned before, it will update it instantly, and you don't need to worry about the image breaking because it doesn't exist anymore. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. As always, if you have any questions, comments, or suggestions, please email us at service@structuredweb.com. Thank you.